We are fully convinced that apart from the access to modern contraceptives, self-determined family planning also requires knowledge, and sex education is therefore the essential cornerstone for sustainability, improving people's future opportunities. And we are so proud of all these activities because our activities directly respond to the global trend of population growth and address 3 of the 8 Millennium Goals defined by the United Nations. The goal number 3, as you know, promote gender equality and empower ladies. Goal number 4, reduce child mortality. And number 5, improve maternal health. Through more health information and education, you also intend to decrease the risk of HIV infection and other sexual transmitted disease, as well as to risk of unplanned pregnancies and unsafe abortions. We sincerely hope that family planning will be in the top of the agenda of all the governments. And this is our efforts, because this duty to resolve is a worldwide problem. It's a worldwide problem, and it's one effort that we have to do in a joint effort between R&D institutions, government, private parties, society, and of course the pharmaceutical industry, in order that we find solutions, and with the joint efforts we made a better societies in health conditions.